Imagine walking up to a car that doesn't just start when you press a button, but feels like it already knows you. That's exactly the kind of experience the 2026 Tesla Model 3 aims to deliver in today. We're diving deep into every angle of this car, from the way it looks and drives to the technology that quietly changes how you think about owning a vehicle. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Model 3 is how clean and futuristic it looks without trying too hard. Tesla has refined the design rather than reinventing it. The front is smooth and minimal, with sharper LED headlights that give it a confident, almost high-tech stare. There's no traditional grille because, of course, there's no engine that needs air in the usual way. From the side, the aerodynamic shape stands out immediately. The roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, helping reduce drag and improve efficiency. Even small details, like the redesigned wheels and tighter body lines, are all about improving range and stability while still looking stylish. Around the back, the taillights are sleeker and more modern, giving the car a premium feel that easily competes with much more expensive sedans. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a glimpse into the future. Tesla sticks to its signature minimalist interior, but for 2026, it feels more refined and comfortable. The materials feel better to the touch, with improved seat cushioning and higher quality finishes. The dashboard is dominated by a large central touchscreen that controls almost everything from navigation and climate control to media and vehicle settings. At first, it might feel strange not having traditional buttons everywhere, but after a short drive, it starts to make sense. The interface is smooth, responsive, and constantly improving thanks to over-the-air updates. It's like your smartphone, but on wheels. Space is another area where the Model 3 quietly impresses. Thanks to the flat battery pack under the floor, there's more legroom than you'd expect, especially in the front. The rear seats are comfortable enough for adults, making this a practical choice for families or long trips. Storage is also surprisingly generous. You get a front trunk, or frunk, in addition to the rear trunk, which means groceries, luggage, or even a small suitcase fit easily without any trouble. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where the Tesla Model 3 really changes people's expectations. Even the standard 2026 Model 3 feels quick the moment you press the accelerator. There's no engine noise, no gear shifting, just instant power. The acceleration is smooth and effortless, making city driving feel stress-free and highway merging incredibly easy. If you step up to the dual-motor, all-wheel drive version, the grip and stability improve noticeably, especially in rain or snow. And for those who love speed, the performance variant delivers thrilling acceleration that rivals sports cars, pushing you back into your seat while still being completely silent. Handling is another strong point. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery pack, helps the car feel planted and stable around corners. Steering is precise, and the suspension is tuned to balance comfort with sporty control. It's not harsh, but it feels confident, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating tight city streets. Of course, range and efficiency are critical when talking about an electric car. And the 2026 Model 3 continues to excel here, depending on the variant. You can expect a range that comfortably handles daily commuting and long-distance trips without constant charging anxiety. Tesla's charging network remains one of its biggest advantages. With access to superchargers, you can add a significant amount of range in a short time. It's making road trips far more practical than many people still assume. At home, overnight charging is simple and convenient, often cheaper than filling up a gas tank. Technology is where the Model 3 truly separates itself from traditional cars. The driver assistance features, including advanced autopilot and optional full self-driving capabilities, are designed to reduce stress rather than replace the driver entirely. The car can help with lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and even navigating certain roads on its own, while still requiring your attention. Over-the-air updates mean the car you buy today can actually get better tomorrow. Adding features, improving performance, or refining the interface without a visit to the service center. Safety is another major selling point. The Model 3 is built with a strong structure and a low rollover risk, thanks again to that low-mounted battery. Multiple airbags, advanced driver monitoring, and collision avoidance systems all work together to keep passengers protected. It's engineered not just to perform well in tests, but to actively help prevent accidents in the first place. What really makes the 2026 Tesla Model 3 special is how it blends cutting-edge technology with everyday usability. It's quick but comfortable, advanced but easy to live with, and efficient without feeling boring. Whether you're someone who loves the latest tech, or daily commuter looking to save on fuel costs, or just a driver who wants something that feels modern and exciting, the Model 3 delivers a complete package. In the end, the 2026 Tesla Model 3 isn't just an electric car, it's a statement about where the future of driving is headed. Quiet, fast, smart, and constantly evolving. It challenges the idea of what a sedan should be and proves that going electric doesn't mean giving up performance, comfort, or fun.